Ever pondered over the possibility of growing your own edible mushrooms right at home? Mushroom cultivation is an exciting venture, boasting sustainability, health benefits, and cost-effectiveness. We're about to explore 5 mushrooms you can cultivate with ease. Today, we're diving into the world of fungi, exploring the top 5 edible mushrooms you can easily grow at home. First up in our list, we have the most commonly consumed mushroom worldwide, the white button mushroom. This culinary gem is easy to grow, packed with nutritional benefits, and incredibly versatile in the kitchen. The white button mushroom, a perfect beginner's choice for your homegrown mushroom adventure. Next on our list, the flavorful and health-boosting shiitake mushroom. Cultivating this Asian delicacy at home is a rewarding experience, offering a unique taste and numerous health benefits, from boosting immunity to supporting heart health. Shiitake mushrooms, a delicious and healthy addition to your home garden. Moving on, we have the oyster mushrooms, known for their unique shape and taste. Cultivating them is quite straightforward, and they offer a rich source of protein and vitamins. They're also a versatile ingredient in many culinary delights. Oyster mushrooms, a visually appealing and nutritious option for your mushroom cultivation journey. A fourth on our list, the rich and meaty portobello mushroom. Cultivating these gems is an enjoyable journey, yielding a mushroom known for its robust flavor and texture. Often used as a satisfying meat substitute, portobello mushrooms are a hearty and satisfying choice for your homegrown mushroom collection. Last but not least, the mycologist mushroom, also known as the dancing mushroom. This fun fungi is not only easy to grow but is renowned for its unique flavor and health benefits. Mycologist mushrooms, a flavorful and health-enhancing finale to your mushroom growing venture. Growing your own mushrooms can be a rewarding and delicious hobby, and we've only scratched the surface of the possibilities. Remember, white button, shiitake, oyster, portobello, and mycologist, all wonderful choices. Cultivating mushrooms not only brings joy, but also healthy, fresh food. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on more gardening tips and tricks. Happy mushroom growing!